Hi, I'm Andrea, Certified Wellness Coach through the International Association of Wellness Professionals. And in this video, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give you 5 tips that will help you transition to healthier eating over going cold turkey. Going cold turkey doesn't always work, right? And especially in today's diet culture, we're all about that. We're all going to start on Monday. We're all going to start on the 1st of next month. And we're just going to get rid of everything unhealthy we have always consumed. And we all know how well that works, don't we? So, instead of full elimination, full cold turkey, here's 5 transition tips to eating healthier and beginning a healthy lifestyle. Tip number 1 is substitution over elimination. Any step towards a healthier diet or a healthier lifestyle is a step, and that's good. You don't have to eliminate everything at the same time. Sometimes substitution is the better idea because then over time you can slowly transition out of whatever food that is. So for example, if you are somebody who loves to munch on chips or popcorn, maybe crackers and snack mix, guilty. Those are things that are very easily substituted for healthier options. Start looking for organic brands. Start looking at your ingredients, right? You're looking for ones where you can pronounce all the ingredients in the ingredient list. Looking for lower sodium content, sugar contents, trans fats, all of those you want to be lower. So if you're not sure if the option you're looking at is healthier than what you've been consuming, grab whatever it is and then compare it to the healthier option until you find something that is healthier. Over time, what you'll actually find yourself doing is slowly eliminating that food altogether, but this helps you to slowly transition out of it. So substitution over elimination. Number 2, divide it in half. Whatever it is, whatever that food is, divide it in half. So if you're somebody who, say, is a big soda drinker, and I know there's a lot of you guys out there, I used to be as well. One of the biggest steps is to divide it in half. So say you drink 2 sodas a day. That's 14 sodas a week. Cut it in half. So that'll be 7 sodas a week. 1 soda a day. And then maybe in a couple more weeks, you'll cut that in half, and so on and so forth, until maybe you're down to 1 a week. Or maybe 1 a month, right? But to divide it in half is still a far healthier step than just to give up because you couldn't eliminate it all at the same time. Dividing in half allows you a little bit more control and an adjustment to a lifestyle. Number 3, use your freezer. Especially if you're somebody who you love to bake or you love buying baked goods. I was also that person.